So in this Pages tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a contact shadow to an image here on a Pages document. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Pages application and insert a photo into your document. So for this example here, I have this photo right here. Once that is done, make it as large or as small as you want. It doesn't really matter. Once that is done, also press the image right here to open up this I guess different menu option on the right hand side of your screen. And once that is done, if you want to add some shadow, in specific here some contact shadow, go to where it says shadow right here. We'll press on no shadow. Go two options down towards this contact shadow, press on that, and once that is done, if you want to maybe make the blur more, slide this bar to the right, make it less. Same goes for offset right here, and opacity, you can make it more or make it less, whatever you have to do. You can also go ahead and change the perspective here by increasing it or decreasing it, just like that, and then change the color ultimately. You can go ahead and change it to blue if you want. You can change it to brown. You can change it to green, magenta, orange, whatever the case may be. It is completely up to you. So as you can tell here, there is a contact shadow right below here with this purple colored line. So super simple, super straightforward. If you want to do this for yourself, the steps are pretty straightforward and in front of you. Thanks again for watching as always. Have a great rest of your day, and I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.